Hello, everyone. Welcome to Crypto Archive Unlocked. I'm your host, Crypto Daryl, and today's episode, we'll be diving deep into the XDC network, a cryptocurrency that has been gaining attention for its unique approach to the blockchain technology. We all want to know what makes XDC stand out, where did it come from, as well as where is it headed. Let's go ahead and break all that down. The story of XDC Network really begins with XinFin, a fintech company founded in 2017 in Singapore. The vision behind XinFin was to revolutionize trade finance by solving inefficiencies in cross-border transactions. The traditional trade finance system was slow, costly, and lacked transparency. Now, XinFin's founder, Ratish Kakad, it's K-A-K-K-A-D. I'm not sure if that's how you say it. And Atul Kikad saw the blockchain as a perfect solution to these challenges. In 2019, XinFin officially launched the XDC Network, which stands for XinFin Digital Contract. Unlike many blockchains that operate solely on public or private networks, XDC introduced a hybrid blockchain model blending the best of both worlds. This hybrid architecture allows businesses to conduct private transactions while still benefiting from a secure and decentralized public ledger. From the beginning, XDC Network was designed for speed and security and enterprise adoption. Now, the network uses XDPoS, which is delegated proof of stake, a consensus mechanism that enables 2,000 transactions per second while keeping fees low and energy consumption minimal. Blocks are finalized in just 2 seconds, making XDC one of the fastest blockchain solutions available. Another key advantage, it is EVM compatible, meaning developers who have built on the Ethereum can seamlessly migrate their projects to the XDC ecosystem. This has helped attract a growing number of dApp developers. Like many new blockchain projects, XDC faced an uphill battle in its early days when it launched in 2018. The price of XDC was just under a cent, which was 0.002 to be exact. Growth was slow at first, but by 2021, the price surged to 14 cents, reflecting increased adoption and interest in the network. However, like most cryptocurrencies, XDC has also experienced market fluctuation with price dips following periods of rapid growth. Now, one of the biggest hurdles for XDC has really been real-world adoption. While the technology is promising, convincing businesses and institutions to switch from traditional finance to blockchain-based solutions takes time. Regulatory uncertainties and competition from other blockchain projects have really posed challenges. Fast forward to today, and let's take a look at XDC and where it stands as of today. The current price is 9 cents, just below 10 cents according to Binance. However, other platforms such as CoinGecko reported slightly lower price such as 6 cents, almost 7, highlighting the variations that often occur across different exchanges. The market capitalization of XDC is around 1.45 billion. Now, while CoinGecko estimates it at 1.36 billion, the circulating supply currently stands at 14.93 billion XDC, with a total supply of 37.95 billion XDC. Now, in the past 24 hours, trading volume has surged by $58.9 million in marking a 34% increase from yesterday. This level of activity suggests strong market engagement, but prices remain subject to fluctuations. One of the most significant recent developments is the launch of XDC 2.0, an upgrade aimed at enhancing the network security, forensic monitoring, and governance mechanisms. Now, the network now has 108 active master nodes, each staking 10 million XDC to help maintain stability and security. Another major use case for XDC is trade finance. The network has been increasingly used to tokenize assets, including U.S. Treasury bonds, making traditional finance instruments more accessible and liquid. However, adoption is still in the early stages, and some analysts debate whether blockchain-based trade finance solutions will see widespread implementation. Now let's take a look at future projections for XDC. Keep in mind, cryptocurrency predictions are highly speculative and should always be taken with caution. Now in the short term, forecasts for 2025 suggest that XDC could be at 11, maybe 12 cents, assuming positive market conditions. However, if the market experiences a downturn, prices could drop to around 7 cents. Looking ahead to 2026, analysts predict a minimum of 15 cents and a maximum of 18 cents, with an average of 15 cents. These projections depend on continued growth and increased adoption by businesses. By 2030, the long-term predictions vary widely. Some conservatives estimate XDC at 13 cents, while more optimistic forecasts suggest it could reach as high as $5.65 in bullish scenarios. Some analysts have even speculated that XDC could hit $100, but these figures should be approached with skepticism. Moving even further into the future, projections for 2040, which is well into the future, between $21 and $89, while by 2050, certain predictions are as high as $105. However, these numbers are based on assumptions of massive global adoption and far from guaranteed. If XDC fails to gain widespread transaction, prices could remain stagnant or even drop to 0.007. The wide range of price predictions comes down to several key factors. First, XDC success is heavily dependent on adoption of blockchain in trade finance. Now, the more businesses and institutions integrate XDC's technology, the more demand there will be for the token. Another important factor is real-world asset tokenization. If XDC becomes a leading platform for digitizing traditional finance instruments like bonds and supplies and chain assets, its value could skyrocket. Partnerships also play a crucial role. For example, SBI Group, a major financial services firm, has already shown interest in the XDC network, which could boost its credibility. However, risks remain: regulatory uncertainty, competition from other blockchains, and overall market volatility could hinder XDC's growth. Now, it's important to remain realistic when analyzing the future of XDC. While the technology is strong, the adoption process has been slower than some had hoped. Trade finance is a niche sector and is transitioning from traditional finance to blockchain-based solutions. It takes time. Additionally, regulatory hurdles could pose challenges. Governments and financial institutions may be hesitant to fully embrace blockchain for trade finance, now, which could limit XDC's growth potential. Also, if you are considering investing, it's essential to analyze market trends, study price charts, and use technical indicators like RSI and moving averages before making any decisions. The XDC community is highly engaged with ongoing discussions on platforms like X, but social media sentiment alone is not a reliable indicator of the future performance. Now, should you invest in XDC? That's the real question. Now, this video is not financial advice. It's important to do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. XDC has a strong potential due to its unique hybrid blockchain model, enterprise focus, and trade finance applications. However, as with any investments, there are risks involved. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and consider diversifying your portfolio to minimize the risk. Follow XDC's latest developments, join the community, and monitor real-world adoption. The future of XDC will ultimately depend on the team's execution, market trends, and regulatory developments. That wraps up our deep dive into XDC Network. It's a project with big ambitions, strong technology, and real-world applications. But it also faces challenges that could impact its long-term success. Will XDC be a leader in trader finance asset tokenization? Only time will tell. Okay? Stay informed, keep learning, and thank you for watching Crypto Archive Unlocked. And I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.